All right, everyone. This is Rich Delaney with Digital Marketing Solutions in Appleton, Wisconsin, and I'm writing or speaking to you because I recently came across a problem with the formatting on Go High Level. And what happened was over here in this section, it was really, really large. And so I'll show you an example. It looked like this, and then I also had an area where it was like this, where the formatting was actually towards the middle of the screen, and then this part and a few other sections, and oops, and a few other sections actually they were they were extremely large, trying to fill out the entire screen. So, anyways, what I found out was we actually have to go to this blue section, even after contacting Go High Level. The developers who were trying to help me couldn't figure it out. I was on the verge of giving up and scrapping this project and having to redo my customer's website. And so what I found out was we go over here we see all these lines, the orange, purple, we see a green in certain areas. There's a green. But what we want to do is we want to go to this blue, and we scroll all the way down to the bottom where it has the width. I found out in my situation, it was probably best to have it formatted right around with the width of 75. And, so right there, sometimes this one is actually really difficult to get to the blue in that small section. Uh, so, anyways, yeah, this one is actually fairly easy. Okay, there it is. And we want to go to that width all the way down to the bottom and scroll it down. So if any one of you actually goes through the same issue, what you do is, yeah, you click on that blue and then go over here to the width and then slide it and adjust it accordingly. And yeah, I hope this will save you guys some time and a lot of trouble because, yeah, I spent probably a good 10 to 12 hours trying to figure this one out, and Go High Level could not help me out. But so I just want to help all of you that are doing this out, and I hope each and every one of you are having a blessed day. Take care.